sister. She said she'd been dreaming about friends she had as a kid. Most of them moved on, or plain moved away. It's rare these days that anyone stays. With her face to the city and her heart in the wood, there's always this small part of her that wants to run off and do no good. I bothered my brother about his new job and how things are going with his kids. He said there's this part of me that could just walk away, and I'm not sure that I never will. 'Cause no man is an arrow, straight and true to the mark. And we've all got these wandering feet and the darkness in our hearts. I phoned my father, falling asleep after a hard night of drinking with his friends. He said I ain't quite what I wanted to be, and I fear that I'm reaching the end. 'Cause the years, they keep coming, and these doubts never cease. And I pray that she'll find a good woman and a life that brings you peace. I moved back with my mother, who needed a hand after 5 years now living on her own. She said she'd been thinking about moving back east, but she's content that her boys now come home. And I said, my dear mother, I ain't quite what you see. The devil's had his way with my feet, but the Lord